Identifying a niche for a YouTube channel involves several steps, from researching current trends and analyzing competition to identifying content gaps and defining your unique angle. Here's a detailed approach to help you through this process. Step 1. Self-assessment. 1. Identify your interests and expertise. Make a list of topics you are passionate about or have expertise in. Consider your hobbies, skills, professional background, and personal experiences. 2. Define your goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your YouTube channel, e.g., sharing knowledge, building a community, monetizing content. Step 2. Market research. 1. Analyze competitors. Identify successful YouTube channels in your areas of interest. Study their content, frequency of uploads, engagement rates, and audience demographics. Look for patterns in successful videos, such as common themes, formats, and presentation styles. 2. Identify gaps. Look for content gaps by reading comments on competitors' videos to see what viewers are asking for. Note areas where existing content may be outdated, lacking in-depth analysis, or missing a unique perspective. 3. Use research tools. Google Trends. Track the popularity of search terms related to your potential niches. YouTube Analytics. Analyze data from your existing videos, if any, to see what topics and formats resonate with your audience. Keyword research. Use tools like Ahrefs, TubeBuddy, or vidIQ to find high-volume, low-competition keywords within your niche. Step 3. Trend analysis. 1. Identify trending topics. Use Google Trends to find trending topics within your broad areas of interest. Look for rising trends rather than established ones to capitalize on early interest. 2. Seasonal and evergreen content. Balance your content plan with both trending, seasonal, and evergreen topics. Evergreen content will bring long-term value, while trending topics can boost short-term engagement. Step 4. Content planning. 1. Create a content strategy. Define your content pillars, main themes of your channel. Plan a mix of video types, tutorials, reviews, how-tos, vlogs, etc. 2. Unique selling proposition, USP. Determine what will set your channel apart from others, unique angle, presentation style, in-depth analysis, etc. 3. Audience persona. Develop a detailed audience persona, including demographics, interests, and pain points. Step 5. Implementation. 1. Start creating content. Produce and upload a few videos to test the waters. Monitor performance and gather feedback. 2. Iterate and improve. Use YouTube Analytics to understand what works and what doesn't. Continuously refine your content strategy based on data and feedback. Example, niche selection process. 1. Self-assessment. Interests, gardening, DIY projects, sustainable living. Expertise, experienced gardener and DIY enthusiast. 2. Market research. Competitors, analyze top gardening and DIY channels. Gaps, few channels focus on sustainable, eco-friendly gardening techniques. 3. Trend analysis. Google Trends, rising interest in sustainable living and eco-friendly gardening. Keywords, eco-friendly gardening tips, sustainable DIY projects. 4. Content planning. Content pillars, sustainable gardening tips, DIY eco-friendly projects, gardening vlogs. USP, focus on sustainability, zero-waste gardening, and unique DIY solutions. 5. Implementation. Create and upload initial videos. Use feedback and analytics to improve future content. By following these steps, you can systematically identify a viable niche for your YouTube channel, ensuring it aligns with both your interests and market demand.